Good morning, everybody. Sunday, Memorial Day weekend. Got a package delivered from DRT Motorsports. Set of mirrors, Mr. Blake Wilkie. Got us hooked up with DRT. Got some SXS, that's hard to say. Universal bracket, 2-inch. You know, he told them the size. Look at those babies, beautiful. Me showing you, showing me. Man, they're serious mirrors. No joking around there. Very cool. Got rubber bumpers in here on the bolts. We'll get some Allen wrenches, get these babies mounted. Okay, there they are. Looking good. Little DRT mirror action. Looking good. New side mirror, so much better. Got the rear view mirror. You can clearly see out the right side. Man, so much better. Thank you, DRT. Greatly appreciated. So what'd you think? I gotta say, he's the first person that's ever stopped me that I've taken for a ride in this thing. But because he said he's been watching all the videos, what'd you think?
It was 10 out of 10. It was awesome. It was. It's adrenaline noise.
An adrenaline rush. Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, she's a blast. Well, thanks for riding.
I can't believe you got so much horsepower left too.
Yeah, we have a lot left. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
That's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Almost perfect. He slows it down.
Carl's, yeah, it's not having fun if you don't have somebody being hauled away in a stretcher. Carl's getting some fuel. Ready to rip some more. Well, we got the popos here at the end of the night. Over just to pull us over. We'll see. Gave us the thumbs up. We're good to go. All right, end of day 2, Sunday, Memorial weekend. Did a lot of driving by myself today. Megan wasn't feeling up to going out today, so, but I don't mind. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Good morning, everybody. Beautiful Saturday morning. Got a new addition for the Mojo dock here. Voila. A lift. Finally get the boat out of the water. This thing just can't handle the weight. And the pump just barely touching the water on the end of this dock, unless I roll it way up here, and then it flexes up and it makes it just a pain to get off. So now this thing here, I'm going to build a dock under that right there so that you can walk up and stand on it. I'm going to move those in I'm going to cantilever it out about a foot out each side on both sides, and then a deck right there so you can walk around it, and then the whole deck will just drop into the water, slide the boat off, go have fun, slide it back on, step out onto the deck. It'll be a wet deck at that point. Hopefully it will float enough that we can slide the boat on and off real easy, and but sink enough that we can get the boat on and off real easy. But anyway, yeah, that's and if this works out, then, and I found this used on Facebook Marketplace, and it's in really good shape for being used. If this works out, then we'll do another one next to it, move all this over, and have another walk-through dock here or something. I don't know. I think this is going to work where I don't have to have any more docks. I can get rid of this one and maybe move one over here, just to have for a guest to show up with a mini boat and have somewhere to park their mini boat for the day or whatever. So what are we doing today? My son's showing up from Texas, going to take his first ride in the Piranha boat, and his wife's brother is probably that group right there, coming in and going to take a ride. He is getting married today, and he's moving to Texas, so he wants to take a ride in the Piranha boat before he moves to Texas. So get this show on the road, get this thing running, get her all checked out, have some fun. How's it going, guys? You're making your YouTube debut?
Oh yeah.
Just park right here. Jake, how's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Congratulations.
Thank you,
I think.
Awesome.
The wedding party, right?
Yep, wedding party.
Very cool.
There. Yep.
Well, we're gonna hop in this monster and see what she's got. I'm dropping her into the first time dropping it in the water, so. Made it to Ski Beach. Now we're gonna have to grab the boat. It's gonna start turning. All right. What do you think?
I think sick.
What do you think?
The smile says it all. Smiles per hour, baby.
Smiles per hour.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
For sure.
This is a custom built one?
Yeah, all by hand.
LS Turbo?
Yeah, LS3.
Holy shit, twin turbo. Nice float, man. Sick. How fast?
I've had it to 82 so far. It still has a lot more.
Come on,
Is
Tristan,
it a
roll
jet
those
pump?
things up.
Berkeley?
Yeah, no, it's a Southern Jet.
Oh shit.
One of one.
Yeah, that's I heard it when you were pulling out. I go, that ain't no regular little small boat, dude. That's got a turbo LS in it or something.
How's it going?
Good, good.
Yeah, good.
That thing shits in cans, bro.
Check out a couple jet boats here. Whoa, it's freaking muddy here. Big block Chevy, right? And what's this one got? Another big block?
Yeah, big blocks. Chevys. This one wasn't running.
Berkeley pumps.
Something like that.
Our daily stop to Bullfrog here to get some fuel. You guys are getting some fuel.
Oh, it's awesome. Awesome. Never experienced anything like it. Can't wait to see what it does when it's turned up.
Yeah, we're not even turned up yet.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations. It's most fun you can have with your clothes on. All right, guys.
That's fun.
You guys have a great day.
You too.
Thanks for showing us.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, that was sick.
Good, I'll push you
All
out.
right, Jeff. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Thanks
See you.
again. Yep.
See you guys.
Bye.
It's been a pleasure.
But I was smiling. Like, inside.
I can feel my heart thumping from this boat.
All right, my son showed up with my granddaughters. You guys are gonna be on YouTube. You gonna be on YouTube? Gonna be on YouTube? Gonna be on YouTube? No? Well, you are. Kaylee, you wanna be on YouTube?
Not really.
All right, let's get this thing going. Trim back, neutral. That might be small. first impression on the Piranha boat?
Way faster than I expected it to be. It leaves like no other mini boat. I mean, I've been in several, from the Torchcraft one that we went and rode the very first introduction of
Yeah, I
mini
remember
boats,
that. Yeah.
which was a much lighter boat than the Mojo boat was, and then the Mojo boat was turned up, heavier boat, but turned up. Nothing's even close. Definitely faster than I expected it to be. A little sketchy.
It gets
if
sketchy in
you're-
that top.
if you're not used to it, it's definitely a little sketchy on just going that fast in something
so
this
small,
size.
right?
A jet ski, you feel like
Feels like you're doing 100 miles an hour.
Yeah. Definitely interested in seeing more tuning, E85 nozzles, boost,
Blake,
and Blake being
light
here
guy,
pushing this
low
thing.
fuel. Right now we're we have probably 35 gallons of fuel on this boat,
Yeah.
plus two
and
of
then
us.
2 of us. So
and the flags and just we're not really worried about
yeah.
top speed. We're just trying to get performance working right. So it's
Yeah.
fucking kicking the ass.
No, definitely look forward to what this thing can do. When you talk to some of the people, building parts for people in the industry, nobody knows of anything faster than this as it is.
Right.
People talk about boats in the 80s. Nobody has it video documented, GPS,
Right.
which
Yeah.
this has already. So
Yeah. We've already proved
it might already be the fastest, but need to seal that deal.
Right. Right. We need to put it in Guinness Book of World Records.
Yeah.
But we're only at like 700 of the 13 to 1400 horsepower capable, and 10 pounds of boost. We still got another 15 pounds of boost to throw at it, and it's on 91 today, and it's heavy, and it still performs. I think I call this eco mode. But it's going to be interesting. I'm getting really used to the controls, and the more I drive it, the more it becomes. You start feeling like you're part of it, and it's starting to just feel so natural to drive it now. In the beginning, it was a little weird, but now I got it all figured out, I think. So, nobody wants a ride? Hell no.